Loaded chicken noodle soup, a classic made from scratch comfort food recipe. Nothing is better at warming your soul than homemade chicken noodle soup. We're taking boneless, skinless chicken breast, sauteing it in olive oil, then shredding it, and adding it to onions, carrots, celery, and mushrooms in a savory chicken stock. Fall is in the air, and chicken noodle soup made from scratch is a comfort food classic. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 box of ditalini pasta, 4 carrots chopped, 4 celery stalks chopped, 1 yellow onion chopped, and 4 sprigs of parsley chopped, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 12 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 8 cups of chicken stock, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Add olive oil to a pan on medium-low heat. Season your chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Add the chicken to the pan and cook for about 6 minutes on each side. When the chicken is cooked, use 2 forks to shred the chicken. You can also put the chicken onto a cutting board and dice it, but the shredded chicken looks a little bit more homemade. When the chicken is nearly done cooking, add in the garlic and the chopped parsley and cook for about 1 minute, then turn the heat off. While the chicken was cooking, we got our vegetables going. In a large pot, add in 2 tablespoons of butter, then add in the carrots, celery, onion, and mushrooms. Season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning and cook for about 10 minutes. Add in the chicken stock and bring the pot to a rolling boil. Add in the ditalini and cook it for 5 minutes. Then add in the cooked shredded chicken with the garlic and parsley and cook for another 5 minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, and you're ready to serve. And there it is, loaded chicken noodle soup made from scratch. You'll never want that canned chicken soup ever again. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.